What's going on, guys? Shanos here. Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about promoting your affiliate links using email marketing. Now the thing is that when it comes to email marketing, there is a lot of misunderstandings. People make a lot of mistakes, and that leads to a lot of other problems, such as bad open rates and a lot of other issues. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share a good strategy with you, so you know exactly what's working, what's not working, and also I'm going to show you examples so you see how to create an effective email marketing campaign to promote affiliate products. Now there's a lot of powerful stuff that you can do to make your campaigns better, which we're going to talk about in this video. Alright guys, so stay tuned. There's a lot to learn, and there's a lot of stuff to actually apply to your own email marketing business when you do this. Alright, so let's get started. Let's go over there so I can show you how to get it started. So guys, let's go over the strategy real quick first, and then I'm going to show you examples of this in action so you see exactly how it all works. Again, this is all about building a list that is very much engaged with your content. Now it's going to take a while to do this, okay? You gotta spend some time, you gotta write really nice emails, but if you actually want to do this, if you put the time, this is going to happen, and this can make you so much money that is actually unbelievable. It just becomes this automated list that consistently generates revenue for you. So how do you do this? So this obviously, like every other list, starts with an opt-in page, right? And then this opt-in page, again, this is an opt-in page, okay? And this leads to a video page. Okay, now this is very important. This is the important part. This video page is not a video where you sell stuff. This is a video where you introduce yourself. Now this is where as I mentioned, this is where you gotta actually do some work, because you have to actually make a video and kind of introduce yourself. Now the reason behind this is to tell them, hey, you didn't just join a list of some unknown marketer. You have to introduce yourself and tell them that you're a real person. So every time after that you send an email, they're going to remember your face. So that's very important, right? So that's why you have this page. And also, alongside this video where you talk about yourself a little bit, you can promote some resources. Okay, now again, it doesn't have to be a fully educational video. You can say, hey guys, my name is this and that, I'm just starting like you, and I'm going to just share stuff that the tools and resources that are helping me out in the business. I just wanted to make this list so I can share everything that is working out for me with you guys. Again, you don't have to provide any proof or proof that you're making money if you're not making money. It can be anything really, just something about yourself. And after that, this is where you really have to start sending out those good emails. So number one is going to be an email, obviously, with the training video or whatever you promised them right here, right? And then this is going to be the first email, and the second email is going to be a valuable email, guys. Now this is where a lot of people make mistakes. So this email is not about what is it? It's not about telling them something and asking them to click. This is a daring email. What it does, it provides value right there in that email. So it's like an article right in that email. They don't have to click away to learn about whatever you're offering in that email. It can be right in the email. They don't have to click anything. Now this is actually a very daring thing, because every marketer who sends out emails, they want to have a link so they can actually get something out of it. They can get traffic out of it, right? A visitor. But again, the idea with this is that when you establish yourself, here, right, as a real person, and then they see that, oh, you're sending this email, this is literally, it doesn't have anything. You know, it's a valuable email. You're just giving them some information inside the email. They're going to appreciate that, and they're immediately going to see you different. Again, this is going to feel like a very different funnel. It's going to be very personal and very valuable. You know, I remember I used to get this email from this guy called Andre something, and he was an actual expert email marketer. So that was his job. You know, that was his niche, email marketing, and he didn't have that many videos or anything like that. He only would communicate through email, but he would do it so good that every email that I would get from him, I would open. Why was that? And this is the biggest lesson I learned from him. It was simple. He would provide value inside the email. Each email was like an article full of valuable resources and content. He wasn't trying to sell anything in those emails. He wasn't trying to get me to click on a link or anything like that. And it was so funny because I would wait months sometimes for him to send me a link to his course, and he wouldn't do that. And this is the kind of email list you want to build, guys, because think about it. 100 people in an email list like that are more valuable than 10,000 people in a list that is just sending out affiliate links left and right. Right? So that's what I mean by, creating an email, building a relationship with the people in your email list, so they see you as a value person. So again, this could be like an introduction, and then this could be like a value email, and then after that you can actually provide a link. Okay, so this can be a link. Again, this can be an email where you provide value, at first, and then you provide a link, and then provide more value. And then you can follow the same strategy. Next one, an email with no affiliate link at all, just valuable stuff inside it. And the next one, again, you have a email with content, affiliate link, content. So again, you do it every other time you send out an email. So this is gonna be an that's not gonna be an email. So that's gonna be a money email, right? And that's gonna be a money email. Very simple, guys. So let me show you an example of this. All right. Again, this guys, creating something like this takes time and effort. Okay. Really, it's not that easy to make something like this. But if you actually spend the time, if you're really into promoting products through email, and if you spend the time to do this, this can be incredibly valuable. This can be the funnel you need to sell basically anything you want, because these people respect you and are engaged with you so much that they will definitely listen to your recommendations. Okay? Alright guys, so before I explain more and show you live examples of this funnel, I want to talk about something absolutely amazing here that can really help you to achieve better results faster. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for you. That's going to take you to the Silver Masterclass. So this is an amazing affiliate marketing training inside Versity, which is going to take a completely different approach to helping you to make money online. So here's what it does. So instead of just teaching you stuff, okay, which it's going to actually do that, but instead of that, it's going to give you done-for-you funnels to deploy. Now, this isn't just about giving you done-for-you stuff. What it does is it's going to give you a lot of different systems that you need to become a successful affiliate marketer. Now, let me tell you something. If you want to become successful online and make a ton of money online, making small commissions is really not going to do much for you, okay? You can make a couple of commissions, but it's really not going to make a difference in your life. The best way to make money and, make a ton of it, make enough of it at least, that is going to make a difference in your life is earn high ticket sales. And the Silver Masterclass is actually an amazing program that is going to give you that stuff. First of all, it's going to give you done for you funnels every single week. Okay, think about this. Every single week, this program is gonna be updated with a new funnel. All right, so let me show you this. This is one of the funnels that we just put inside, and if you take a look, there's a whole 17-minute video about it. As you see, it's just everything explained in detail, from deploying the funnel, okay, to actually driving traffic to it. So everything is just inside it, right? And then below it, there's just all the resources you need, the template. So you can download this template for yourself and start using it, right? As it's explained in the video. And keywords, for example, this particular funnel is an advertising funnel with the template and everything provided. So there's the keywords, and there's ad copies. See guys, everything is basically done for you. You just download it, deploy it, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. So this is an amazing program. It's just really nothing like it out there. And again, not only this is going to give you done for you funnels, okay, it's going to give you access to Aversity's high ticket affiliate program, okay, which is going to pay you these big commissions, $1,000, $2,000, $4,000 commissions, okay. And also, as I mentioned, it's updated every week. So this is actually an amazing thing, because not many programs are out there are updated, and this is constantly updated with new funnels every single week. So you can grow your business every week with new proven funnels. All right. And one more thing, which is another thing, which is like one of our biggest features. This is one of the biggest reasons people join Aversity, is the dedicated one-on-one coaching. So you can call your coach, you can email your coach, and ask questions. So this way you're not going to be left alone. Also, you don't have to go waste your time out there researching stuff. You have a coach, you can contact them, and they're going to help you out. So yeah guys, this is an amazing thing. Again, the high ticket affiliate program is there, the done for you funnels are there, the coaching, dedicated coaching is there, and weekly updates, and all these good stuff that you get when you become a member. So they're all there. So I'm gonna leave a link for you guys in the description. Check it out. It's amazing. It's just gonna change the way you see this business, and it's going to change your life, definitely. So check out the page. There's a lot more. You can just watch the video. I recommend watching this video. It's gonna explain more, and you can learn more about the Silver Masterclass. All right, so let's go over these examples and these live examples that I want to show you. So this is an opt-in page of this, an example of an opt-in page. Okay, very simple opt-in page. And then this is a video page. Again, as you see, I got the video, I got some resources, and I have a link. Again, this, you don't have to sell anything here, but this was a nice video, valuable, so I was like, let me just put a link here as well. But then after that, I want to show you the emails here. Okay, that's very important. So this is the first video they get. As you see, nothing here. I just want to just say, hey, thank you for taking the time to join my list. I can't promise you millions of dollars in the next couple of days, but what I can promise you that I will only send you valuable content and resources. You know, immediately I'm establishing myself as that person. And then I'm giving the link, and this video is going to do this and that. I'm going to be in touch soon, and I'm going to send you more valuable stuff. Next email goes, again, this is a fully valuable email. Take a look. So I'm just going to talk, since this is a ClickBank thing, the ClickBank promotion funnel, I'm saying, hey, did you know you can actually get a bunch of, as an affiliate, you can get a bunch of affiliate resources from each product you promote. Here's how you do it. Again, I've explained it all inside the email. It doesn't link, it doesn't lead, there's no link that sends them to an article or video or something like that. It's all inside the email. See, I get this, instruction step by step, right? And I got the picture, and they say, hey, click the link. It's going to take you to the page. You can access the resources. It's going to save you time and money. That's it. Again, nothing. I'm not trying to sell anything like that. Again, and then this goes to this email, right? The promotion email. Hey, just and this is where I say, hey, thanks for joining. Actually, where was it? There we go. Just want to say, hey, have you ever wondered how super affiliates are making money? Again, there's much more information. They got a picture here, and then again, more valuable information. Create a simple product, do this, and do this. Again, valuable information, and then at the end, I'm telling him, hey, by the way, here's a video of Sean teaching him how to do this. So this feels so natural, you know, like providing value, and then just telling, hey, by the way, if you want to learn this, you should check out this link. It just feels so natural that it's gonna automatically attract people to everything you promote, because you're not trying hard to sell anything. You're just providing value and then say, hey guys, this is working out for me. You should check it out. So it's natural, you know, and it's very valuable. People appreciate it and they develop a respect when they are in your list because of the way you're treating them. So this is very important, guys. Make sure you consider this when you're building this funnel. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. Also, you know, if you want to learn more, you should definitely check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to the Silver Masterclass. As I mentioned, there's a lot of great stuff that comes with the Silver Masterclass, such as done for your business, done for your emails, you know, done for your funnels, a high ticket system that's going to pay you high ticket commissions, and a dedicated coach, which is something you don't get anywhere else out there. So you should definitely check it out. You know, see it for yourself. There's a lot of information. You can check it out for yourself on the page and see how other people are doing to make money with this. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Again, consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber, and also like this video and leave a comment if you have any questions and if there's anything that I can do to help you to get started. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.